Hi everyone! Today I'm going to tell you about a miracle motion box that combines multiple operating modes in a single unit. It is Capsule360. Let's check together what is in the box. The world's most versatile motion box Capsule360, a power adapter, a camera connection cable compatible with your camera, and a 1/4 to 3/8 convert screw adapter. That's it. Your imagination and Capsule360 together can do anything. Before taking a closer look, let's see how it works. First, mount your Capsule360 on your tripod, then put your camera on top of your Capsule360 and connect Capsule360 to your DSLR or mirrorless camera by using the camera connection cable. However, you don't need a camera cable to connect your Capsule360 to your smartphone or action cams. Now, start your Capsule360. Now it is working. Capsule360 is looking for a device to connect. And now, download Capsule360 application to your smartphone or tablet from the App Store or Google Play Store. Open Capsule360 application, choose your desired function from the menu, and enter your settings. That's it. And let the magic happen. It is so easy. It is amazing. And now we are ready to see what you can do with this product. You can use Capsule360 and its features for different types of photography and videography. Thanks to the unique design of Capsule360, taking motion time-lapse has never been so easy. You can enjoy 360 photography of your product by using Capsule360's special features. Capsule360 has the ability to take 360-degree panorama just in a few minutes. With one touch tracking feature, Capsule360 can track your face or an object with a single touch on your smartphone. Capsule360 is even more incredible with Capsule Slider. Capsule360 offers cable-free setup and saves you from the cable clutter. Actually, there are no limits what you can do with this amazing product. If you want to learn more about Capsule360's features, you can check our How To series in our playlist. I hope you enjoyed the video. For more information, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel.